How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app, then navigate to the option General. Now scroll all the way down and click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Now select the option Reset Network Settings and go through the process. This might fix the issue. Next thing you want to do is head back. Navigate to the option Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Now here you're gonna find the option Auto Join. Make sure you have enabled for this option. Then head back. Navigate to the option Mobile Data. Over there you're gonna find the option Wi-Fi Assist. Make sure you have enabled for that option. Next up, scroll down and head over to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Scroll down and navigate to the option System Services. Now make sure you have enabled for the option Networking and Wireless. With these solutions, you'll be good to go. So, this is how you can easily fix iPhone Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.